This BOSCH Starlock Max Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit supplies a tool that features the Starlock Next Generation 3D Tool Accessory interface. This interface provides best-in-class accessory grip, which in turn generates extreme force transmission produced by the 5.5 amp motor, with more contact surface area between the tool and accessory. The Starlock interface is a cup 3D tool accessory connection that delivers greater torque transfer. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This tool delivers a top speed of up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, and the tool provides a wide 3.6 degrees oscillating arc for greater productivity in cutting, grinding, scraping, and other tasks. The no-touch blade change system makes it easy to attach, remove or reposition blades. A variable speed dial allows the user to set the optimal speed for the task at hand, and constant response circuitry maintains the desired speed under load. This robustly constructed tool has reinforced gearing for more durability and less vibration. At under 4 pounds, this oscillating tool delivers an unsurpassed power-to-weight ratio. It can reach tight spaces, and it provides comfortable ergonomic grip zones. This BOSCH provides exceptional versatility and is compatible with all Starlock and StarlockPlus accessories, in addition to the industrial-grade Starlock Max accessories for extreme-duty applications. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy no-touch accessory change. This BOSCH oscillating multi-tool allows operators to quickly change accessories, such as blades, without an additional tool. There are no losable parts, as there are on some competitor tool systems. A pull of the release lever allows the accessory to detach from the tool. No more fumbling with wrenches or touching hot blades. This system also makes it easy to reposition all Starlock accessories in any of 12 positions. Number 2. Unsurpassed torque transmission. This BOSCH Starlock Max incorporates a new cup 3D tool accessory interface that provides more contact area versus the conventional flat OIS interface. This enhanced grip powers the unsurpassed force transmission from this BOSCH to the Starlock accessory to the work surface. This results in an integrated high torque transfer, a better grip, and greater accessory stabilization. Number 3. Premium power. This BOSCH not only delivers a best-in-class 5.5 amp of power, but it also provides the torque transmission to fully take advantage of the muscle. This makes it an ideal solution for flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, grout removal, and scraping. Reinforced gearing and metal gear housing provide durability and reduced vibration for increased comfort. Its constant response circuitry allows the tool to maintain the desired speed even as the load increases. Number 4. Enhanced control with more power. This BOSCH was engineered to deliver extreme power in an easy-to-operate tool. It weighs under 4 pounds and measures only 11.4 in long, making it compact enough to reach into tight spaces, such as corners. This BOSCH has an ergonomic design with a narrow grip diameter and provides multiple soft grip areas for better control and extended comfort. The rugged tool construction provides durability and less vibration. Number 5. Snap and toolless accessory attachment and release lever. Allows a no-touch, easy release of the blade, no more burned fingers. Number 6. Variable speed dial. Rotates from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute to match speed to the application for outstanding results. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.